Hello everyone, today's video I will show you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. I know that it should be easy, but unfortunately sometimes it might be very difficult. I will show you now some ways to do that. So the first way, let me create a new page here. The very first way, select the page you want to delete and you will press backspace. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work here, but if it worked for you, leave a comment below. If not, let's go to the next way to delete a blank word. So the second way, select the page you want to delete and now you will press delete. Okay, press the button, the key delete. Maybe for you it doesn't work yet, so let's go to the third way. You go to view. My Microsoft Word is in Portuguese, my mother language, but for you it's gonna be view or something like that, right? And you're gonna click on navigation pane, okay? And now click on pages and you can select the page that you wanna delete and press delete. Okay, it worked for me, but if none of these methods worked for you, don't worry, I will show you another way to do that. Pay attention now. You're gonna write something, okay, for example, and write any word, any sentence. Now you select the sentence or the words you wrote here and you keep it up, okay, your mouse that way. Okay, as you can see, I also select the page above, okay, the first page here. So now I will press backspace or delete. Okay, so these are the ways that you can delete a blank page in a Word. If one of these methods worked for you, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to this channel, and I will leave another videos about it. If none of these methods work for you, I will make another video about this topic. Okay, so bye, see you later.